स्मरामि महागणपतिं वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहविनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिम्.
Mentor, Dr. Subbayan, Dr. A. Natarajan, Chief Executive, Dr. Shanmugam, Mr. Srihari, faculty of BIT, dear student friends, parents of students who come here, alumni of BIT, invitees, friends from CTS, members of the media, and all of the friends who are gathered here. Let me extend a very warm welcome to all of you this afternoon for the 16th Annual Day functions. At the outset, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest, Sri Lakshmi Narayanan, fondly known as Lakshmi in his organization. As the vice chairman of CTS, Mr. Lakshmi Narayanan was instrumental in doing something that is very rare. He actually created an Indian MNC. A lot of people who run companies, but he has been the creator of a company that can be, though it's headquartered in the US, justifiably called an Indian MNC. And it's a great privilege to have him with us, especially because that MNC is very close to our hearts as our largest and most preferred recruiter on this campus. Under Mr. Lakshmi Narayanan, CTS did a lot of first Indian company to do $1 billion turnover USD in under 12 years. Their competitors took about double that time. Under him, CTS went on to be in the Fortune 1000, the S&P 500, and the Nifty, the Nasdaq 100, and many other accolades. In addition to CTS, Mr. Lakshmi Narayanan went on to head NASSCOM for 3 years in 2007 onwards. And he actually sits on the, he is the chairman of the ICT, which is active in our campus, and many other organizations have thrived under his leadership. It's very rare to get somebody of his level stature to find the time to be with us at BIT. So thank you very much for being with us today. Dear friends, we are all gathered here in full strength to celebrate the achievements for this year, both at an individual and at a collective level. The report that the principal will give will show what we have achieved this year, and the achievement has been quite significant. I am very happy to say that. In almost all spheres of what an institution stands for and what it's supposed to achieve, we have done very well and continued our forward march and continue to stick to our motto of staying ahead. For me, in this year, from a management perspective, there are 4 areas I think where we have done significant work. Firstly, in sponsored research from industry, we've been getting sponsored research from other government bodies, but in this year, sponsored research from industry has been at a very high level, and I think very few institutions can even boast of anything close to what you've done. About 75 lakhs worth of sponsored research has come in. Notably, there was one project from Tricol, which was where our students have created a product that has been technically accepted by both Daimler-Benz as well as BMW to go on their heavy trucks. And that's something even we never dreamt of. And that's a fantastic achievement by BIT today. Student engagement in innovation has increased leaps and bounds. The most recent example was in the South India level competition, CII Innovator, 6 of the 9 prizes were swept by BIT, to the astonishment of everybody who was there. So congratulations to all of you. This year I have seen the IIPC has been extremely active, and more importantly, department level engagement with industry is at an all-time high. Whether it's for placements, whether it is for projects, whether it is for general knowledge sharing, extremely high. And I wish to congratulate all the HODs who have taken the initiative to do that. There have been, fourthly, most importantly, there have been dynamic changes in the teaching learning process through CLM, and I am sure better things are in the pipeline. In the future, in the next year, we expect that we will see significant actions being taken in the area of transnational cross-border exchanges of faculty, ideas and students. We want to give you a global experience, and that doesn't mean just sending you abroad for your postgraduate studies, but giving you a global experience within the context of your stay in BIT. We expect that there will be much higher degrees of exposure to industry. Already in the third and fourth years, actually, but we'll extend to other years, we are starting to send students abroad, not abroad, both abroad as well as nationally to leading trade fairs to increase your engagement with industry, and we will continue to increase on that. And we are going to bring special skill sets to be taught on campus to increase the value for the students. Those are the broad macro level things that we are looking at for the next year. All these activities, my dear students, are aimed at only one thing: to help you fully unleash the potential that is latent within each and one of you. I am confident you will all do us proud in this regard. My congratulations to all the medal winners and their proud parents. May you all soar high forever in all that you do. Let me once again wish everyone a very warm welcome. Thank you.
Applied Science and Humanities offer collaborative research programs leading to MS by Research and PhD. Besides, the Institute has 11 full-time PhD scholars and 113 part-time PhD scholars from other institutes. Computing facilities, a total of 1,677 computers are available in the institute, of which 233 computers with necessary servers were purchased during the current academic year. All the nodes have been networked with the optical fiber cables, and the existing high bandwidth lease line with 22 megabits per second is enhanced to 42 megabits per second during the year under report. The internet facilities are being extended to all the hostels with the Wi-Fi facilities. Awards and recognition, the Department of English organized a 3-day international conference on English grammar during 28th to 30th December 2011 in association with the University of Cambridge, UK. BIT secured the 12th rank among the top 50 private engineering colleges in India. The survey conducted by the Electronics for You, the South Asia's most popular electronics magazine, May 2001 issue. BIT has been ranked at 24th position among the top premier technical institutions in India in the Outlook survey, June 2011 issue. And BIT has been ranked as AA institution among IITs, NITS, technical universities and other engineering colleges as per Career 360 magazine survey on India's best engineering college 2011, published in June 2011 issue, and the rating covers more than 700 engineering colleges in 20 states in India. BIT secured 18th rank among the top engineering colleges of excellence under the private engineering colleges category in the survey conducted by the Competition Success Review, August 2011 issue. The School of Management Studies secured 22nd rank among the top B schools in India for the excellence in the B School Survey 2011 conducted by the company.